Hey everybody, it's Kim of JolieNoire and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new or old, don't forget to leave a comment on this video and like this video. I know I've done bun videos in the past, but today I'm styling my bob in a bun. So if you've ever had a bun, you know how difficult that is. But now that it's growing out a little bit longer, I get to have my bun and have my straight hair too. Yeah, so if you want to see how I get my hair in a bun, stay tuned. So I'm just adding a little mousse to my hair, and this is just to keep it soft because the gel can get really hard, and I like to go through layers with gel and with other products. So the gel that I like to use is the Eco Styler, the crystal. It's like a tried and true, y'all. This is like an OG gel, but it is definitely one of those tried and true gels for me. I've been using it about 20 years or so since I've gone natural. A friend of ours put us onto it, and I've been rocking with it ever since. And so I ran out and got some after I took my braids down, and then I used my Denman brush to really smooth everything. This brush, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Unbrush, but it is a very popular TikTok brush. This brush here, it's called the Unbrush. It's really great. It has like these very flexible bristles and a flexible base. And I heard that if from a hairstylist that if that combination really helps the brush to glide through your hair, and that's why this works. It's really great for detangling for sure, but it is not great for smoothing. I like going in layer by layer because it really gets all the product through the hair, and it really helps smooth it down and keep it down. So now I'm gonna part my hair, and I like a really deep part. And the mousse that I'm using is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Smooth Hold by Shea Moisture. I've been using Shea Moisture products for quite some time, and they're actually affordable products that I just love from my natural hair. One of the reasons why I like going section by section and taking small sections is because my roots, they're kind of poofy, and so it really helps when you go layer by layer to put in the product, because every layer, like a smaller layer, gets product, because I hate to have a like poofy here and then like slick edges. I don't really like that look, so that's why I go in and take the time with each layer. I'm not gonna worry about my edges just yet. I'm just getting the product worked in right now. As you can see, it's still a little short, so I am tucking it in under itself. So I'm taking this and twisting them together, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin so that it can just be secure. And then I'm just going to take these pieces and give it some Shirley tendrils, as Cher would say, for the even shorter parts in the back. I'm not a baby hair kind of girl, so I just slick down my edges like so, and really that's that. So it's not much different than before, but it's definitely something that I love, that's cute, and I can wear it to pretty much anything and still look really chic and cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you really enjoyed watching this video, give us a good comment and follow us over on all of our social platforms, either JolieNoire Apparel on Instagram or TikTok JolieNoire, and we would love to have you. Bye.